Alright, we're looking at question 4. We have aluminum sulfide here, and we're reacting it with some water to give some aluminum hydroxide and H2S. And our initial concentrations, we have 15 grams of aluminum sulfide and 10 grams of water. And we want to, at first, figure out what our limiting reagent is. So I'm going to start with my 15 grams of aluminum sulfide. Could do this with water, but I'm going to do it with the aluminum sulfide because it was listed first. And molecular weight of aluminum is 26.98. I have 2 of those. And molecular weight of sulfur, 32.06. And I have 3 of those. So I get a molecular weight of 150.14. Alright. Now to figure out my limiting reagent, I'm going to relate the aluminum sulfide to my other reagent, which is water, and then convert this into grams using the molecular weight of water. Alright. Now that calculation will tell me how much water I actually need to use up all 15 grams of aluminum sulfide. So 15 divided by that molecular weight times 6 times 18.016 gives us 10.8 grams. Alright, don't have that much water. I only have 10 grams of water, so water is limiting. Alright. So in the next part, it wants us to calculate the maximum H2S that could be formed. So to do this, I'm going to take the limiting reagent, which is water, and do a very similar calculation to what we have up here. So I'll convert that into moles using the molecular weight of water. I'll convert my water into H2S and then use that stoichiometric ratio in the calculation. And then 1 mole of H2S is, let's see, 32.06 plus 2 times 1.008 gives me a molecular weight of 3408. So our 10 grams of water will get turned into moles. We'll do our stoichiometric ratio, and then we'll convert that into mass of H2S. I get 9.46 grams of H2S as a theoretical yield. Alright, last one wants us to calculate the mass of the excess reagent remaining after the complete one. Alright, so my 15 grams is the excess. The aluminum sulfide is the excess. So I want to take that 10 grams of water, and now I want to figure out how much H2S would be used up in the reaction. This is going to look very similar to the top equation, except everything's kind of reversed, inverted. And then finally 1 mole of aluminum sulfide is 150.14 grams. 10 divided by 18.016 divided by 6 times 150.14 gives me that I would need 13.89 grams, looks like it's going to be 13.9, of aluminum sulfide needed. If I take 15 minus that, 15 is how much we started out with, the excess amount is 1.1 grams.